תספר לי מה למדתם.
איזה פרשה השבוע היא, דודוש?
וירא. וירא.
אתה יכול לספר לי על פרשת וירא? מה קרה בפרשת וירא?
They build a tent.
They built a tent?
Who built the tent?
Wait, can I have my picture? Email pictures to Indo. It's like this.
They built the tent like that?
Like this?
Who built the
Who
tent?
built the tent like
Who lived in the tent? In that tent?
Abraham.
Abraham. With who he used to live there?
With Sarah.
With Sarah. So who came to visit them?
The three malachim.
The three malachim came to visit.
שלושת המלאכים? ומה קרה?
He went into the tent and he ran into the tent and he told Sarah to make food because the malachim are coming. But malachim don't eat.
Oh, he ran to the tent and he told
Abraham
Sarah
ran
to
to
make
the
food because malachim are coming, but malachim don't eat?
Yeah, but
So why did he do that if they
because
don't
he
eat?
didn't know they were malachim. He didn't know.
Oh, he didn't know. So then what happened?
He told them to eat the food, but they did, because he told them.
What did they told him? What they told Abraham, the malachim?
Sarah would have a baby.
Sarah is going to have a
And
baby.
Sarah was 90.
She was 90 years old? And
Yeah.
how old was Abraham?
Abraham was bigger, 99.
Whoa! So they were old. So what Sarah did when she heard that she's going to have a baby?
She was laughing.
She was laughing because she thought she's too old to have a baby. But what happened after 9 months?
She had the baby.
And how did she call the baby?
Yitzchak.
Yitzchak. Why she called him Yitzchak?
Because she was so laughing.
Because she's צחקה. So she called him Yitzchak. נכון מאוד. כל הכבוד לי.
כל הכבוד לידה.